All right, so I'm out here trying to replace the batteries on this Rachio flow meter. It's underground out at the corner of the property, 630 Southeast Meadowvale. And what I did when I put this in is I locked it in so that you can't rotate. You can't rotate this. This is sealed with PVC glue on both sides because it didn't come with either side seems to have a it's not got ridges where you can screw it on. It just has to be glued in. So I glued it in, and now I can't get to the back side. And on the back side here, there's a screw here, there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and there's a screw here. You can see that I was trying to get this thing off because that's where the batteries are. I wanted to replace the batteries because this is no longer connecting with my Rachio 3 or whatever it is thing is sitting in the garage. So, ideally the future I would get that set up so it would turn, but I don't know. I don't care that much right now. Anyway, I'm gonna put this up on YouTube and see what happens, just for posterity.